Okay.
I can't hit anymore.
I
can't eat anymore.
I get that one down a little bit.
Maybe let me add a nut with it. Hello everybody, what's up? How you doing? Welcome back to DisasterMinds. I'm BLEAU Stevenson, and
I'm Austin Leathers.
And today we're gonna be doing the stupid. We're gonna take a break from mashed potatoes, and we decided to get some nuts, right? Because everybody loves nuts. Nuts is pretty good for you, and peanuts. And we decided to use it with our tiny hands. We want to do acquired taste for mashed potatoes, but they'll have to wait. So, yeah, we decided to switch it up. And, of course, as a special treat, we doing eating some nasty baby food. Never had baby food ever, I don't think. Maybe as a kid, of course, but I don't remember it. So, I don't know about you.
I can't say I've ever eaten baby food before. And the baby food we have today is chicken and turkey broth?
Yeah, I don't ever think I remember having like that type of like chicken or whatever.
It smells like tuna. So
I like tuna. He hates tuna. It's delicious to me.
Yeah. So we're gonna see how that turns out. All right, guys. Next, we're going to open this container of nuts with our tiny hands.
Yeah, that's going to be hard. I'm not sure how we're going to do it, but we're going to give it a good shot.
We're going to give it our all. So let's go ahead and proceed here.
This is going to be a fucking nightmare.
Shit.
Wait, hold on. Oh, wait. Oh. Dude, this is what being a baby's like, dude. Oh, almost got it.
Get the ow!
Stop it. Give me the fucking nuts. I just want to eat peanuts.
Dude, give me the eat mother.
Planters, peanut butter. Come on. Well, it's not peanut butter, but
dude, quit.
Stop it. This is worse than R.L. Stein book.
Hold on.
Turn it on its side.
Well, oh, wait.
Oh, okay, help me out. Yes!
Oh,
yes!
Fuck you!
We showed these nuts who's boss. You thought we were going to use spoons. Well, we're not. We're going to eat with our miniature tiny hands. So, I guess we're going to dive straight into this disgustingness.
Hang on, give me a second. I got a nut in my mouth, okay? Okay, I'm good. Okay. I've never tried baby food, so, it's probably gonna taste like shit, but it's okay.
Oh my lord.
Who needs a spoon?
Dude, it feels like mashed potatoes.
I hate mashed potatoes. Oh my lord. This is like the thumbnail right here, guys. Oh, this is a big bite. Holy shit.
Did you eat it?
Oh my god. Oh!
Dude,
What the?
oh no. I swallowed a little bit of it.
Ah! I need something to drink.
Oh no. No, we gotta get one more.
Oh my god.
You on X Games mode.
Eat this shit. How do they eat this?
Oh my lord. Oh my god.
Is there a lot on my face?
It's the texture. Oh my god.
No wonder why. Oh my god. No wonder why babies don't like this crap.
I'm trying to scratch my face.
I have a few, like, for example, his fucking kid, he don't like this shit. I can see why.
I got one with a nut. He got a nut in my food earlier.
Yeah, eat that.
No. My lord. No.
Oh my god damn, I lost my hand. Yeah.
Oh my god.
What do you think this looks like, guys? Like, what the hell? It looks like
Oh my! It is. Oh my God!
This is more processed than like fast food.
I
can't hate anymore. I can't eat anymore.
I get that one down a little bit.
Maybe let me add a nut with it.
I think I'm getting it down a little.
This does not look right.
It is not good. Let me help you out with that. Here, hold on. You forgot your...
Dude, where'd you buy this? Walmart?
Dude. There, you got... Oh, I thought you were going to eat it off your hand.
Oh, fuck no. I'm going to mix it. It's fucking good. Wait, hold on. Oh, come on. You stupid. Okay.
Oh!
Look at that. What does that look like to you?
That looks like a mountain of shit.
It looks like puke in a turd.
Dude, come on, eat it. Don't think about it.
Oh!
No, keep it down. Keep it down.
What? Don't do this. I'm done.
Alright, I need a drink.
Oh, yeah. I'm drinking this shit. Get off my face.
I can't even get it.
You can't even drink it?
I couldn't even get a drink in.
I'm sorry. Drink the shit. Drink it. Just drink it. Dude, you're making a mess. Is it in my hair?
I hope so.
Fucking drink it. Well, I don't think this is a good idea.
That was disgusting.
I don't know what was worse, the mashed potatoes with Ovaltine or this. I kind of think the Ovaltine was a little bit worse, but you don't think so?
No, that was by far the worst. Just the baby food itself, the chicken and chicken broth.
I don't know. I got something in my throat.
Not good at all.
Another nut, probably.
Would not recommend.
Ow! You fuck! Ow! Oh my! You're gonna knock that shit off.
Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. We'll post independent links to our channels below.
Yeah, and not only that, we're also going to be just doing some crazy stuff too. It may involve other activities like quizzes or stuff like that. Whatever you want to do. If you want to recommend stuff too, feel free down in the comment section below. That'd be fun. Of course, I'm still going to stick with the mashed potatoes eventually. It's just right now we want to switch things up, so we want to keep you guys entertained.
We hope you enjoyed the nuts and baby food, and we'll see you all next time.
All right, peace out, guys.